visitor center is something unique. We tried to make it warm, inviting, informative. What can you find here? What's in our region? How are we promoting what's here within the region for people to come and look and explore?
I've been to a few visitor centers from here to Vermont, New Hampshire. This one is just, it feels very comfy, it feels home. The people that work here are great.
We put up clapboard on 2 of the concrete walls to warm it up a little bit. On these walls are history, bits and pieces of our region, things from Mount Wachusett, things from local farms, things that were made in this area, all the things that make our area unique. Recently, we've added a lot of new touches to the visitor center. We now have a dog park out back for when Fido's traveling with you, that he can get a break, get out of the car, run for a few minutes. We've added picnic table covers to some of our picnic tables so you can sit outside and eat your lunch. There's new signs outside so you can read some of the history of what's here in our area.
They have done a lot of improvements. This place is so nice. It's clean, it's inviting, it's beautiful.
One of the new things that we've done to the visitor center is we've added information so that when somebody's walking around looking to see what's on the walls, what is it, where did it come from, we now have placards that are on these walls. There's an east, west, there's one for the airplane hanging from the ceiling, from the Johnny Appleseed statue that's over here, to the antique Apple equipment that we have in the visitor center, so you know what they are, where they came from, so their history doesn't get lost. The Johnny Appleseed Visitor Center is named after the official Massachusetts folk hero here in the state, Johnny Appleseed. He was born in Leominster. He was born approximately a mile from here, so they named the building after him. So there's information about Johnny Appleseed here. We have memorabilia that we have in cases that people can see some of the bits and pieces of Johnny Appleseed. We have books about Johnny. We give any person who comes in a flyer that tells you the history of Johnny Appleseed. The visitor center, it's morphed into more than just a stop. It's more than running and using the facilities. You can grab a snack, you can get a drink, you can get a book about Massachusetts, some of the unique things that go on in our state. So there's lots of bits and pieces that make the visitor center unique.
It's very important to all the vendors here that are in this visitor center. A lot of us are just small businesses trying to make it, and this visitor center has been wonderful.
We have pink flamingos from Cato, which is in Fitchburg. We have maple from Hollis Hill. We have fudge from Farm at Baptist Common. We have 2 different alpaca farms represented here. We buy local. We buy Polar soda. Polar's local. We represent what's here in the region. So we want people to know about all the fun, different things that are here. We have bourbon maple balls. They come from River Sticks. We have jams and jelly and honey. I have a local gentleman that does our honey. So it's from here, it's representing here.
It's a great place to buy any type of gift. For birthdays to Christmas, they really keep up on different holidays, so they'll bring in a lot of different Christmas items. And it's just a beautiful area. You can get a sandwich here, go sit outside, you know, sit in the back and just look at the foliage. It's a great place.
If you're traveling, exploring, checking out what's here in North Central Mass, the visitor center is one of those stops you want to take. It has local products, it's a rest stop, it's an exercise spot for you to take a break. It's one of those places that will tell you about our region and what there is here that makes it so special. We are very easy to find. We're on Route 2 westbound between exits 103, 102. We're open 361 days a year from 8:45 till 5 p.m. daily. We welcome every person who comes here, and we tell you to have a nice day when you leave.
Thanks, have a nice day.
Come and explore and see all that there is here at the Johnny Appleseed Visitor Center.
Stop on in, you won't regret it.